The clamshells are an exercise that work the outer thighs, those abductors, the abductors. And it's one that's performed either with body weight, but it's always best to use a band. You want that little bit of resistance. And we're going to be laying down on a mat. So for the setup, we're going to go on to our side. And here, for our body alignment, I want to have most of my weight right here on my elbow. Stacked joints, shoulder over elbow, straight line right here. A lot of weight right here on that elbow. Here, my hips and heels and toes are in line, knees forward with that band. In this position, you could think Titanic, Leonardo DiCaprio, draw me like one of your French ladies, or whatever the line is. Or Jurassic Park, think about Jeff Goldblum laying down on the couch, shirt open, talking about chaos theory. Whatever it is, just be in this position. Let's get serious. It's called the clamshell because our legs are the clam. This is the closed clam. From here, we're just going to open the clam, driving that knee back. The heels of my feet are staying together, as you can see. And right back down. So the only thing moving is that knee up. Feet are staying together. Really working that outer thigh and the hip. Up and back. Being nice and stable. I'm moving around a little too much here, so I'm going to readjust, reset, and focus on the movement. Knee up. Feet together. Inhale at the bottom. Exhale at the top. Inhale. And exhale. With every position we do, we're thinking about that good tall posture. My chest is up. My shoulders are back. Just focusing on the muscles that are moving right there in the hips and the thighs.